this is Tyson, and my mom's still recovering from her mouth surgery, so today I'm going to be doing it. And go to cookswithothers.com, and then that's where all of our foods will be. And this is Nugs the Elf, by the way. So first we have garlic, parmesan, salmon, and asparagus. She did bake this asparagus, but usually she does air fry it, so she wanted to try something new this time. And it's like, I like going fishing with my grandpa a lot, so we catch a lot of fish like bass, catfish, and we don't really catch salmon because we can't find any, but it's really good. I like fish's texture. And then second, we have air fryer English muffin pizzas. They were little circles about this big, and they had little bits of pizza sauce and pepperonis and a little bit of sausages. And then, yeah, that was really good. And number 3 was cheesy chorizo baked chicken, and it was really good because I just love the cheese, and it's really good. I love cheese a lot, and it's amazing. And then the last thing is salted caramel pretzel bark, and that it's really good for Christmas desserts and Thanksgiving desserts, and it's really good because it's this like pretzel, just a little pretzel, and then you really just put caramel and melted chocolate on it, and it's very good, and I just love it. So subscribe down below, hit that notification bell, comment if what's your elf's name and what you are wanting for from Santa, and if you made any of these or any kind, then we'll see you later. Bye with Nugs.